2015 Hyundai Elantra. I just took pictures, so from now on, every time I take pictures, I'm also gonna take a video, so that way we have some content, because we've just been so busy, we haven't had time to animate our social media accounts. So this is a 2015 Hyundai Elantra, very clean. It has brand new tires. Look at the tread on these tires, brand new. Very clean interior. Just, you know, your basic Hyundai car. Has about 131,000 miles, which I can tell you for a Hyundai is cool. This is just perfect for a daily commute. And of course it has your rear view camera, and it has a Bluetooth connection on your phone, blah 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 blah. Hit me up, guys. Okay, let me see if I can flip this.